Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a grocery haul for you, but it's slightly different to my normal one because I had to go to 3 different supermarkets. I am normally someone that does one big shop a week or every 2 weeks. I have to go back in the week, always, because the kids just eat their body weight in berries and milk, and I can't buy enough. I haven't got enough space to keep the milk and the berries. They literally go through a punnet a day, so we have to go back. But usually the big shop is done at either Asda, Sainsbury's, Tesco's, Morrison's, wherever. I'll go to one shop. However, we have been noticing how expensive everything is at the moment. Like, the shops are just getting more expensive every single week. So this morning we did a meal plan and we sat down and I had the Asda app up and the Tesco's app, and then Ben was looking on Lidl and Sainsbury's, and we wrote our list depending on where, because we were out for the day anyway, so we thought we may as well just go. So we ended up saying we're going to go to Asda and Lidl. So the majority of this shop, what you were going to see first, is from Asda, and then we had to get one thing from Tesco's because it was crap everywhere else, but that was on the way home anyway, and then the other half was from Lidl. It was £120 total. The kids are off this week, so I've had to factor in extra lunches because normally my eldest has school dinners, so I normally have to pay for that normally at school, but I don't have to factor in the food. So I've had to factor in lunches every day and snacks every day because they don't ever stop eating. Like, we're in the midst of a thunderstorm, if you can hear that. Yeah. That is some big fucking thunder. Yeah, that's like throwing me. That was the biggest one I've had so far. It's been going for like half an hour. Yeah, so when I first started filming YouTube videos for doing like grocery hauls and stuff, the weekly shop would cost me like 75 quid. And it's like now I'm struggling to get it below 120, which is very frustrating, but everybody's in the same boat. So I am very thankful that I know how to cook so I can make bread throughout the week if I want to, and if the kids decide they want cookies or something, I can make them cookies. So I'm very happy that I have the skills in my arsenal to be able to cook meals from scratch, because the ready meals and stuff are just crazy money, so cooking from scratch is always going to be cheaper. The meal plan, oh, we've got 2 cats here now. Can I help you? We've got Banana, say hello. This is Bandit. Say hi. Everyone calls me Banana because I'm a big baby. Binksy is humping a cushion, so we won't show him. So today is Sunday and we had sausages and curly fries. We were going to have sausage and mash, and then while we were in Asda, Ben got curly fries, and then I said, oh, I'm going to start cooking dinner, and he said, don't forget to show the curly fries in. So I put the curly fries in. Then I was like, well, we're not supposed to be having mash, but we had sausage, so hot dogs and curly fries. Tomorrow we're having pasta and homemade dough balls, which I made dough balls last week for the first time, and they were super easy and absolutely banging. Tuesday we're having burgers. Wednesday Ben plays football, so I'll probably have like one of my noodle pots, and the kids will have chicken nuggets from the freezer. Thursday we're going to have meatballs, and Friday we're going to have pizza. So the pasta will be veggie. The burgers, I got a kilo of mince, and I'll split it in half, make the burgers, and then the other half I will mix with pork mince and make meatballs, but that will make enough meatballs for 2 dinners, so then I'll keep them for another day. Pixie cat, stop humping things, you're gross. Bloody cat. Yeah, so the meatballs will be with rice. I think Ari might have hers with waffles. Or she might eat the rice. Does she eat the rice? I can't remember. And then pizza. I've got some pizza bases in the freezer, and we'll have that. Saturday, me and Ben are out for the night at a Halloween party. Very exciting. And Ben's parents are here, so I imagine they're going to want to get a takeaway before we go out. And then Sunday, the girls are having a Halloween party, so the food is just going to be sandwiches and stuff, and that's just we'll just eat the sandwiches as well. So that is a full week of dinners. For lunches, the girls wrote down this morning their own lists of what they would like to eat throughout the week. And I have got to make a bacon and lentil soup because that is Mika's favourite food in the world. And then they've had, Mika wants egg wraps, ham sandwiches, hummus sandwiches, and an omelette. And Ari wants pizza bagels, pepperoni bagel. What else did she say? She's much more conservative in her pickings. So I think hers was mostly just pepperoni bagels and pizza bagels because she does love a bagel. She'll occasionally eat a wrap or a sandwich, but yeah. And then Fox just has a lunchbox. I literally make a lunchbox of food for him in the morning when I make the girls for school. Normally for Ari is for school. I make Fox one, put it in the fridge, and then that is his lunch. So he'll have crackers, maybe half a sandwich, a yogurt, some fruit, maybe some cucumber if I can convince him to eat it. But yeah, that is the meal plan for the week. I will be living on bacon and lentil soup because it's delicious. I'll do that for Monday, Tuesday, possibly Wednesday if I can get another one out of it. And then I will make another soup of some description. And my soups are generally just throw everything from the freezer or what's left in the veg drawer in a pan and chuck cheese in. It's never bad. So yeah, thanks for watching and let's go to the food bit. Right, this is the Asda shop. We had to go to 3 different supermarkets today to try and get the cheapest of everything. So this is the first one. This was like 73, I think, from Asda. So we got a giant bag of chicken nuggets, big bag of peas, big bag of curly fries, 2 lots of milk, a cleaning spray, cat litter, 2 packets. Oh, I've just realised I've got the wrong bloody crisps. I wanted the plain crisps and they're all different. So 2 lots of crisps that the kids won't eat, which is amazing. 2 lots of eggs. Fox wanted a little milk. 3 lots of squash. Sausage rolls, some hummus, which Ben is using for the kids' lunch. Some tubes, a turmeric because I've run out. The garlic bread, a Gary. A huge gammon I'm gonna slow cook and then shred for dinners and lunches because it's half term here. 2 lots of bacon because I'm making bacon and lentil soup. Shampoo for all of us. Frozen fish. Some foil. Some sprouts. Some carrots for Mika to eat because she likes to have just raw carrots. The kids all got a pumpkin each. These were £2 each, and then afterwards we went to Lidl and Tesco's until they were 79p, so that's annoying. Yeah, they got a pumpkin each. Decaf coffee for me. Some garlic, a couple of sweet potatoes, broccoli because Fox keeps requesting it. Bag of onions, bag of bacon potatoes, bag of normal potatoes, some strawberries which will last a day maybe, oranges, Gary again, the other 2 pumpkins, and some cat food for them to try and see what they think. That is that one. And then we went to Tesco's to get grapes because that was all, everywhere else's grapes looked disgusting. And then this is from Lidl. This was what, 52? So an iceberg, more yogurts. Fox chose these. We don't normally buy the branded ones, but he wanted them. We got this for Ari to try because she has soy yogurt now, and this is cheaper than the Alpro one. Big mince because we've done a meal plan, which I'll have a chat about at the end, and we're going to split that. These are for Mika. She likes to have them as a snack for school. Not that she needs, but she likes to have them. And then Aria has these, but we normally get like the, what are the fancy ones? I'll put it on the screen, but like these are really cheap, so hopefully she'll like them. Some sausages because we're having hot dogs tonight. Bagel thins for Aria. Some yogurts for me. Protein puddings. Aria's bag of seedless peppers. These are for their snacks for the week because obviously they're home, so they eat more. So they're allowed to have a treat after their dinner. And then some Tunnock's tea cakes. Big bag of Parmesan because Aria and Fox are mostly made of Parmesan. Pepperoni because Ari loves the Sainsbury's pepperoni, but it's a pain in the ass to go and get. So we're trying to see if she likes this one as well. They didn't have any sausage buns for hot dogs tonight. So we're going to use burger buns instead. Chicken and ham for sandwiches for the week. Little snack cucumbers. We're trying to make Foxy go to the toilet on the toilet or in the potty. So we've got these. Smoothies. A butter. Ben and Fox love these. They look gross, but they like them. Raspberry Pepsi Max for Ben, and then some nappies. Oh, and a big bag of crisps, which I'll portion out. I see. So yeah, we're going to put it away and then we'll talk about the meal plan.